Well, more than 25 million people have been infected with coronavirus worldwide, according to Johns Hopkins University. The United States has the highest total of cases. That's nearly 6 million. Meantime, here in San Diego County, the county did announce 253 new cases of the virus, with 5% of tests testing positive. 2 new outbreaks were also announced, one in a healthcare setting, the other at a business. 3 new deaths also reported, with 682 total deaths in our area. This comes amid a grim prediction among researchers about how many Americans are expected to die from the virus by the end of the year. Here's Paulo Sandoval now with more.
It's another grim warning. A prediction by a model previously cited by the White House of a coronavirus death toll of more than 317,000 by December. Researchers at the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington said 67,000 lives could be saved, however, if 95% of Americans wore masks in public. Another doctor thinks even more people could avoid dying from the coronavirus.
We could save 90,000 American lives if 95% of people wore masks by the end of this year. I mean, that's just such a huge number of American lives that could be saved.
On Friday, a Health and Human Services official expressed optimism about a future COVID-19 vaccine, saying efforts are, quote, absolutely on track, and we could see 4 possible vaccines in phase 3 clinical trials by next month. Many experts say it will likely be next year before a vaccine is readily available. Whenever that might be, the nation's pharmacists will be able to administer the vaccine, says the head of the CDC, Robert Redfield. Meanwhile, the American Academy of Pediatrics is calling on the CDC to reverse its recent guidelines, advising that testing may not be necessary for asymptomatic people who have come into contact with COVID-19 patients. It's a dangerous step backwards, wrote the organization. Large gatherings are being blamed for an increase in infections at Texas Christian University. More than 400 cases and counting on that Fort Worth campus. A letter from one university official reading, "We literally cannot keep up."